Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris McCann. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Snap40. Snap40 catch deteriorating health sooner by automatically detecting the warning signs. We've already got our first major health service contract. We'll be regulatory approved for the EU in January, and we've just raised one of the largest seed rounds that's ever been done in Scotland. When you come into the hospital, you're given our wearable device to wear on your upper arm. From this wearable device, with no leads and no wires, we're able to monitor you across more vital signs than any other single device that's on the market, things like blood pressure and respiratory rate. But what's really important is we then take that data and we analyze it in real time to identify which patients are at highest risk of deteriorating. We then push that information to your nurse, your doctor, so they can see you earlier, save that patient's life, get them home faster and safely. We're a software company, not a hardware company. The hardware for us is simply an enabler. Our secret sauce lies in our ability to take the signal data from our wearable and turn it into vital signs, and then from that to identify who is at risk. So why do we do what we do? Well, I founded the company as a medical student. I was involved in the care of patients where the warning signs were recognised too late to do anything about it. That's because in hospital right now, observations are only taken intermittently and manually. It takes about 15 minutes for a nurse to take one patient's observations, about 2 hours in every shift just spent on observations. 36% of the 22,000 cardiac arrests that occur in England and Wales every year are likely preventable if we just caught the warning signs earlier. That's 8,000 people every year, and the survival rate is less than 10%. Avoidable deterioration also leads to people staying in hospital for longer than they should have to. It leads to more longer-term illness, which means people keep coming back into hospital. I left medical school to solve exactly this. My co-founders, David Bowie, he was VP Global Sales and Marketing at Aircraft Medical. They just sold to Medtronic for $110 million. And Stuart Whiting, who worked with Microsoft, predicting human behavior from search history. In just the last 4 months, we've done our first hospital deployment. We've now monitored over 150 patients. We've completed 2 of the 3 major stages of regulatory approval. And as I've said already, we've raised one of the largest seed rounds that's ever actually been done in Scotland. In January, we'll complete regulatory approval and be able to sell across the EU, and we'll be moving to the US before the end of 2017. Our customer is the healthcare provider. In the UK, that's the NHS. Our value proposition is that we can reduce length of stay in hospital. We can more efficiently target consultants and nurses by prioritising which patients they need to see first, and we can improve patient outcomes. We monetise this using a SaaS business model, a per-bed licence cost, but we also charge an upfront fee, which means our cost of goods are actually paid off in the first month. We want to move out of the hospital, though. Our real interest is in preventing patients ever coming in the first place. We want to monitor patients in their own home and out and about. We want to identify them before they ever become sick and direct healthcare to them. That's because we collect, store, and analyse all of the data in the cloud. It's not on on-site hardware. That means we can learn from that data, and this is data that does not exist at scale anywhere right now. To make this happen, we'll be raising a $7.5 million Series A at the start of 2018. I'd be absolutely delighted to talk to anyone who's interested in what we're doing and wants to connect. Thank you very much.